Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD in front of us. As we all know that almost all the dollar pairs are not very unidirectional right now. Okay, most of the pairs are choppy. It has become very difficult this week to understand the direction of the market. If you look at the dollar index, US dollar index, then we discuss about the range, that is 103.50 to 103.60 at the top as resistance, and 102.50 at the bottom as support. This is the support and this is the reason, and this is the range of DXY right now, and we can still see that DXY is inside the range only. Yesterday DXY tried its best to break the resistance and move higher, but it failed. Right now standing at 103.27. This is the current market price. Before 102.50, we also have an immediate support around 102.80, this level. Okay, this is the immediate resistance on DXY. The previous resistance is working as support here, and considering the overall trend of DXY, there is a high chance that DXY will be getting this support from buyers around 102.80 as well. In simple words, we have two supports, 102.80 and 102.50. Overall, the range is 103.5060 to 102.50. But as we can clearly see on the chart, the market is in uptrend. So at one point, there's a good chance that DXY will break the resistance and move higher, because the technicals are pointing towards upside. Even the fundamentals are also aligned with the technicals right now. So yes, the level is acting as resistance here, but during the day or by next week, if the same market sentiment remains, high chance that DXY will move above 103.60. So plan your trades accordingly. Okay, so now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So Euro USD right now standing at 1.0887. This is the current market price. But before I proceed with the levels, I would like to show you the higher time frame, the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame of Euro dollar. You can see that on daily time frame, Euro USD is forming beautiful swings and trading inside an upward channel. Okay, market has already tested the channel a couple of times, so it is a valid channel. There's a good chance that in the coming days, Euro USD will be coming down to test the bottom trend line, where it will take support and bounce back again. And right now we can clearly see that Euro USD is heading towards that particular line only to complete the market structure here. So the level will be around 1.0780. Okay, 1.0780 to 1.0800. This is the level where you can expect the buyers to be present, and this is also the level where we can expect Euro USD to get the support and bounce back. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, this is the level you should be keeping your eyes, because as a swing trader or a position trader, your trades will last for a couple of days, and obviously you want bigger profits. So yes, to ride the swing, you need to catch the market at the right level, and this can be the right level considering the higher time frame. 1.0780, 1.0800. You can draw a trend line like this so that you can understand what I'm talking about. And you can also see, in addition to the trend line, we also have the 200 moving average around the same area, which will be acting as the dynamic support for the market as well. Clear? Now let's look at the 4 hours time frame. So day traders, obviously daily time frame is too slow for you, and 4 hours time frame is also slow for you. Okay, but yes, the levels from higher time frame are stable, so that's why we will be focusing on the levels from higher time frame only. So first of all, my dear friends, if Euro USD breaks 1.0835 level, okay, let's consider that dollar breaks the resistance, then obviously there will be pressure on euro, isn't it? So if euro dollar breaks 1.0835, you can look for a quick risky sell position as well. If you have the risk appetite, if you understand risk management properly, you can obviously look for a risk management below, not risk, you can look for a sell position below 1.0835, because euro dollar will be coming down um, by another 30 to 40 pips to complete the cycle. So you can look for a quick sell position below 1.0835. But if you don't want to take any risk right now, considering the overall trend, okay, if you really are looking for safe trades, then obviously if euro USD breaks this level also, for a safer entry, you can wait for the market to come down to the trend line below that we just discussed. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities if euro dollar breaks this line here. What line? 1.0840. Remember, we talked about 1.0840 in our previous videos. So if euro USD breaks this level, we do not have any immediate support for the next 30-40 pips. And during the day, if the fiber shows upside, then we have some minor resistances. Keep in mind the levels that I'll be discussing right now are for Friday only. And today we don't have any news, so more or less we can expect that our level should work. The first level is around 1.0950 to 1.0955. So if the upside on Euro USD continues, and we have drawn our Fibonacci here, you can see here around 1.0950 we have Fibo 23.6% retracement level. Along with Fibo, okay, you can also see that more or less we have the 100 moving average working as dynamic resistance. In addition to that, 1.0950 is a round number. So if we combine all the three factors here, there should be some resistance, there should be some presence of sellers around this area. If you see the market is going up, okay, then simply switch to 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame to observe the market reaction. Once you see the market is struggling around 1.0950, 1.0955, market showing price rejection from above will give you the confirmation that yes, resistance is good, sellers are present, and you can look for a sell position. How much you can expect? Considering the volatility of the market, 30 pips is decent enough. Okay, above 1.0925 we also have resistance around 1.1 1.1 triple 0 to 1.1015. Okay, here we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level, we have the 200 moving average. So this is another resistance on the chart of euro dollar. But today being Friday, chances of euro USD going to this level are very less. Okay, if market surprises us with volatility, then that's a different chapter. But otherwise, euro USD should stay within this range only for the day. So this is the resistance where we can look for a good sell opportunity if market reverses. Don't be too blind on levels. No level is permanent in the market, but our capital is limited. So confirmation is extremely important. And before 1.0950, we have a very weak resistance around 1.0925. Why? Simple price rejection. Okay, you can see here we have previous support around this area, which will be previous support will be working as a resistance here, and the 50 moving average may also be present here. Okay, so it may work as minor resistance if the volatility of the market is low. So volatility will decide, observe the volatility. If you see the market is struggling around 1.0925, 1.0930, you'll get a confirmation that okay, due to less volatility, less volume, this level is also working as resistance. In that case, you can look for a quick sell off at 25 to 30 pips again. So keep in mind, though we have two resistances on the chart of euro USD, but these levels are not very strong. Not all levels in the market have the equal amount of strength, but right now we are helpless. We do not have any major levels, okay, in this particular portion of the market. So if you want to trade on euro USD, then you need to stick with these levels only. But yes, as these levels are not very strong, as a result you need to follow strict risk management. Okay, so these are the levels where I think that you will get good trading opportunities for the day. And this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. I am also a trader like you. Nobody's 100% accurate. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care. And See you tomorrow.